Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Another video, simple, quick, just an update. More than likely, I don't know, but as you guys saw, we do have cables cut on that truck. It is one of our personal fleet trucks, and it was stolen over the weekend. Unfortunately, it came back with the J1939 plug cut off. Pretty sure they did that just in case I had a tracking device, that way I guess it wouldn't work. Well, I don't know why they did it, but they stole our truck, and now I'm gonna fix that J1939 plug. Fortunate for us, we do have our parts truck, which has the J1939. So all I'll be doing is chopping this one off and matching the wires. All right, so all we're going to be using for this is, as you can tell, it's 8 wires, same 8 wires as this plug. We're going to be using these solder seal wire connectors. Bought them off of Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. All you do is strip the wires on each end, put one of these through, kind of like tie them a little bit, and then just use a little lighter just to be able to melt the solder inside of them. Let's try them out and I'll show you guys how it goes. Well, I don't think that's how it's supposed to work, but the connection is not there. Actually, it did melt though, so unfortunately we didn't do it right. Let's try this again. Well, that's how we're going to be doing it, just like that. Fortunately, the GoPro died, guys. What is this on the GoPro? a little bit of solder. Anyways, I went ahead and I don't know what I was able to record and what I wasn't, but we went ahead and connected the whole thing. I don't want to pull on it too hard because all that effort for nothing, but it should be good. I'm going to tape it up right now as well, just to double protection or make sure that it's not coming off. Everything nice and heat shrinked, and we use those little soldering pieces or connectors. I am going to go ahead and hook up the laptop just to make sure it's working before I tape everything up. So I'll show you guys that right now. All right, so we did go ahead and connect it. No results. And before anything else, we do have a fuse F5 for the J1939 connector, 10 amp fuse. Took it out, and as you can tell, it's broken. So we are going to go ahead and replace it with a fresh one and go check our work again. More than likely, when they went ahead and cut the wires, it shorted out the harness, or shorted out the positive and negative, and blew the fuse. So let's go back, double check. Hopefully that was it. Bam! We have power, and the J1939 is connected, green. So that's gonna be it, guys. Quick, easy. I'll close this out right now as soon as I check the codes, but that's gonna be it for this one.